What are the small and big signs of Qayamat according to Ahmadiyyat belief?
Small and big signs.
Yes, that's what's right.
Do you want to prepare for that? Because of the signs?
Yeah. Why not?
This is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired from the person who wanted to hear about the signs. He said, why are you wanting to hear about the signs? Are you fully prepared for the Qiyamah and your answerability? So it was a beautiful answer in which he mentioned that signs are not important for you, because the Qiyamah is going to take place very, very long after you might have become dead and become bones and dust. So what is the purpose in finding out about signs? The purpose only should be your preparation for the Qiyamah. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, prepare yourself for the Qiyamah, and that's all that you need to know.